Today we are at File Lisbon. Hi, I'm Haley. Nice meeting you.
Hi.
What do you feel about File Lisbon?
Well, I think this is quite a great event because all the Filecoin ecosystem projects gathering together and discuss more like how the Web3 or blockchain technology could help to help the society or the world. So I feel like it's quite interesting and more like informative event for us.
What's your name and what do you do?
Yeah, hi, I'm Vera. I'm Vera from Numbers Protocol, and I'm actually right now is the CEO of the Numbers Protocol.
Then, do you face any challenges working on the project?
Yeah, I mean, to build a protocol, you actually need a lot of resource and have a lot of ecosystem partner to join us. Then, like everybody could understand, the value in the digital media and what's that, important thing is the trust in the digital media. So the challenge is like we need more connection with the project and more like engineer or developer to join us and ecosystem project to join us.
Lastly, what's your future plan and the goal?
Yeah, our goal right now we want to help the people like step into the Web3 very easily. So we actually have a very easy use like creation tool called Capture app. That is the first blockchain camera could be used directly on your cell phone, and you can like tag the Web3 video or image right away and mint the NFT. On top of that, we also build like infrastructure for the like developer, and that is the like easy use tool for every enterprise user or the project. If you want to protect more like your copyright issue, and that we can help. And we are building this kind of infrastructure technology for everybody or every platform to use.
Okay, concludes the interview today. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having us.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Ting. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How's it going?
Pretty good. It's really exciting to be in Lisbon. This is my first time here, and then it all turns out really good actually. Surprisingly.
Have you been to many European countries?
Only Paris. Only Paris. This is the second European country.
Yeah, Paris is beautiful. Eiffel Tower,
Yes.
Louvre Museum, and a lot.
Yeah.
And I really enjoy the Lisbon. It's a beautiful city.
Yeah, it is. It is.
Yeah, especially rooftops. Beautiful.
Actually, I'm surprising like how people like really. Besides life here, I feel like crypto is really big hub here as well. Based on what I see, Web Summit and everything, and their lifestyle is like really chill. People like really energetic, and then like the lifestyle it's just very like attractive to me. Like I was just thinking, literally, we're joking about like, should we move out here? It's like a really good opportunity.
As we can see, the crypto community in Lisbon, not only developers community, and we can see all many startups and conference. So I'm glad to join the Filecoin Lisbon Lab Week this time. How do you feel this?
I love it. I really love it. It's kind of sad that I'm only leaving like 3 days, but I'm gonna miss here.
Yeah. Do you know how many attendees fill Lisbon and
I
how many
think
companies?
Phil Lisbon, it's over 1,000 people for sure. I think the final registration like attendance is like over 1,500.
Awesome.
Yeah. So company-wise, I'm not very sure exact numbers. I'm sure it's really a lot of people.
Awesome.
Yeah, as well.
Yeah. And talk about yourself. What are you doing at Protocol Labs?
So yeah, I work for Protocol Labs and then working on like market development and then SP relationship collaboration. So basically I help globally, I would say, like search providers, helping them to be onboarding and also helping them to grow in general. Right now, especially like from Asian market, it's like our like priority market. So we're putting a lot of time, energy, focusing on Asian SPs, kind of help them to grow.
Yeah. So I'm Timo from Secure Finance.
Yes.
We are one of the active Filecoin community member. I'm Filecoin Orbit ambassador. So I hosted meetup in Berlin during the NFT Berlin. As you know, many NFT developers using IPFS as storage layer. And I host 2 meetup, one IPFS Filecoin meetup and a K-pop Filecoin Day in Korea.
That's awesome.
Yeah, how was your experience K-pop and Filecoin Day in Korea back to August?
I went, to be honest, that's the very first international event for me since I joined PL, go to Korea. I'm really surprised the vibe that in Korea. It's like everybody really into crypto, and then I can see the potential Filecoin in Korea could be like huge. And also, again, like a really big fan for K-pop as well. It's like a really, really typical culture from Korea. So.
Did you meet many Korean Filecoin community members or SPs?
Yes, we did. There's a couple ones really good that they already has been, like in the community for a while. They're really experienced and mature as well. But also at the same time, I see a lot of people that, like interested in this and just like curious how this works, and they want to join a network as well.
Awesome. Yeah. And anything else?
I think for Filecoin itself, like this year and next year, especially where during the whole summit we're talking about our OKRs for next year. Definitely, we're gonna go bigger for next year. So, well, from what I heard, we're probably gonna throw like 20 plus events for next year, which is really amazing, right? And definitely going to Korea and Singapore, and yeah, we're gonna have multiple like large conferences like this, and then get more people involved.
Okay. Yeah, I think for SPs, I have connection or discussion, conversation with many Chinese SPs, European SPs, North American SPs.
Yes.
So, yeah, SPs now is focusing on the stealing data and the capacity building, and they are more interested in data onboarding and the Filecoin Plus. So, yeah, we can provide more opportunities to have conversation with SPs.
Definitely.
Educational
Right now,
opportunities.
Yeah. Right now, we're trying our best to, first of all, is helping the current existing SPs to have better tools, resources to use onboarding real data, and also creating so many programs and then also tools as well, helping the new SPs to get involved and start to onboarding real data. And then plus, back then we call it, like miners, right? We don't call it search providers, but that's like early stage. So a lot of miners still existing in the market. We're trying to help them become actually storing real data, become search providers. So there are a lot of things you need to do, but definitely we're gonna get there.
Yeah, I was following IPFS community more than 4 years.
Wow, okay.
So I met first IPFS core developers team in Berlin back to 2018.
Wow, okay.
And the 2019 IPFS camp, and I really enjoyed the whole dev community. Now you are also doing lots of educational sessions, business tracks. So I think Filecoin network now is approaching 17 exabytes.
Oh, I think it's 18.
18 exabytes.
Yeah.
And still have huge potential, right? You have world's biggest decentralized storage network, and there's a lot of hardware, so we can use that distributed computing, data governance, that kind of.
I'm excited. I'm really excited for it. Like next year we have the FEM, we have compute over data. It's merging as well. So it's a lot of new things coming up and creating. So really excited what's going on in the network.
Yeah, I think one thing we can provide more context to SPs. There is still some language barrier, cultural barrier, information asymmetric issues. So we can do more native language contents, educational sessions for SPs.
We're working on it. So basically right now, we're working on Koreans and then Chinese and even Thailand as well. We're trying to get all the content, technical content as well, get translated to be the local languages. Also, we encourage local SPs be able to teaching the new SPs onboarding in the local languages. So it's much more engaging overall. I understand it's difficult in English. Not everyone speaks English, and second of all, even the people native in speaking and then seeing the technical context really difficult. So we're trying to make it more simple and easier for the community to get more engaged.
Awesome. Sounds good.
Yeah.
Great. Thank you for the talk today.
Of course.
And enjoy your time in Lisbon.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you.
Today we are at Phil Lisbon. Hi, I'm Ian. Nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Yanko. How are you?
How do you feel about Phil Lisbon?
It's a fantastic event. Really great to be here. A lot of people, a lot of enthusiasm around Filecoin, and of course everything to do with crypto tokens and Web Summit. So it's a fantastic group of people, and a lot of events and a lot of things going on, plus some really fruitful discussions.
What is your name and what do you do?
So I'm Janko Mursik-Vlogel. I'm the CEO of Planet Computers. Planet Computers is a company making mobile phones, and also our second line of products is to do with decentralizing the infrastructure for blockchain.
Since Phil Singapore, is there any progress that are being done?
Absolutely. So we're progressing with making our file storage device for the home for Filecoin. Currently, we've just finished our second generation prototypes, so we're going to be ready for production of the units during early December.
Did you face any challenges working on the file miner?
There are always challenges with hardware, challenges with software, challenges with the Filecoin stack, but I think we've gone through quite a lot of the challenges, and also it's great to meet some of the technical people here from Protocol Labs and the Filecoin Foundation to actually discuss some of the intricacies of the protocol.
What is your future plan and the goal?
So we hope to launch the product at the end of Q1. It's an exciting time for us, bringing this kind of decentralized blockchain appliances to the home. And that's kind of where we plan to make things.
That's it for today. Thank you for the interview.
Thank you very much. Thank you.